Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.04 trillion. We are up 2.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, wow, we are seeing more continuous green across the board. We are continuing the overall momentum that we have seen in the last couple of days. But one thing to keep in mind is that we're still in the weekend, and we do know that overall on the weekends we do tend to see a lot of manipulation. But so far, so good. Things are looking totally different. And if you are an altcoin or cryptocurrency holder, any crypto holder, you want to watch this video till the absolute end because it is going to be jam-packed with a lot of information that you do not want to miss out. But if we are looking at the broader picture, guys, altcoin markets along with Bitcoin are doing quite well from the pullback that we have seen over the past month and a half. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than Solana. Alright, my Solana family, if we are looking at the Solana price, Solana is once again above the $100 mark. We're currently trading at $119.55. We are up 5.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 2.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 6 spot. Market cap right now is $37.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $1.7 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, Solana is still up 1,855%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices, but we're starting to see a nice rebound over the last 1 week. If we are looking at that time frame, up 28.1% to be exact. But before we jump into the exciting stuff, the price, where is the price going in the immediate short term, what's coming next, I want to say that this video is brought to you by Crypto.com. If you don't know what Crypto.com is, guys, come on. Crypto.com is the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can join 10 million plus users, buying and selling 250 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. One thing I love about this app is that it is, available to be downloaded on the two major platforms, the App Store and the Google Play Store. So if you have an Apple device, an iPhone, you can download this app on the Apple App Store. And if you do have an Android device or any Google related device, you can download this app on the Google Play Store. One thing I love about this app is that it's a one-stop shop. It's a nice fiat gateway. You can turn your your fiat to crypto right off the bat, and you can buy majority of the cryptocurrencies on here, and you can stake it. And not only that, you can spend your crypto gains anywhere Visa is accepted. So that's where we want to get into. So like I said, you can pay with this Visa card anywhere Visa is accepted, which is nearly everywhere around the world. And if you want to check it out, check the link in the description box below. You will get $25 if you do register for this prepaid card, and I'm sure you guys will be very, very surprised by how convenient this really is. But check it out, link in the description box below. Now let's get right into the charts. What's going on and where are we going in the immediate short term? That's the question that everyone is asking. So let's get right into it. One thing I want to point out for you guys is that, as you guys can see, we did see quite a bit of a sharp drop over the past month and a half. Like from November 6th, that's when we saw the top of that $260 mark. If I am bringing out the measuring tool, guys, we did see a pullback of about we saw a pullback about 68.79%. Quite a bit of a drop happened for the price of Solana, but that has been seen around the board. Not only Solana pulled down that much, it's the majority of the cryptocurrency markets that did drop about 60 to 70% from their top. And This is cryptocurrencies, guys. I know there's a lot of new retail money that has come in over the past couple of year or so. In 2021, we did see a lot of new retail hype come into the cryptocurrency markets, and majority of the people don't really know how the markets tend to work. Obviously, we want to see continuous rises towards the upside, but that's obviously not sustainable, guys. And cryptocurrencies are unregulated, and they can be manipulated very, very fast. As fast as you can make profits in these markets, guys, that's as fast as you can lose them. But if you are investing in projects with real utility, strong fundamentals, big communities, some projects that are trying to shape the overall cryptocurrency market, these are the projects that are definitely here to stay. And if you do dollar cost average in long term perspective, sky's the limit. So moral of the story is, guys, when you are seeing these kind of moves, these parabolic moves towards the upside, and let's say you're sitting at some crazy numbers, you always want to be asking yourself a question. Hey, is this money too much that I cannot afford to lose? If the answer is yes, guys, you always want to be locking in some profits, because like I said, nothing goes up straight forever. We are going to see pullbacks, especially that the entire cryptocurrency market are correlated with the price of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the king. So if Bitcoin drops 20-30%, we will see altcoin drop 50 to even 60%. But saying that, as you guys can see, we did see Solana's price go all the way back to the 78.6 at $80.64, guys. We have not seen these prices since August of 29th of last year. And if you picked up some Solana around here, guys, let's say you had some buy orders placed in around here, you're already up. As of recording this video, you're already up 47.15%. And these are the solid projects that people are going to invest in. When markets do coil up towards the upside, guess what happens? These are the projects that do rebound way quicker compared to the other altcoins. And right now we are above that level of resistance at that $110 mark, and that's definitely something us CryptoZX supporters, I'm sorry, not yeah, CryptoZX supporters, if you want to call it, want to be seeing. Solana has broken above this level of resistance. As you can see, last time on February 2nd, we tried to break above here twice, but we were unable to break above here. A clear rejection, but this time around, there was no problem for Solana to break out towards the upside. But what now I want Solana to do is get back into the 0.50 and smash past the $150 mark resistance level, guys. This is a very, very important level of resistance for the price of Solana. If we're able to easily break out of this range, guys, and things could literally start looking very, very good. And that is a number one confirmation for me that we might be in for the next leg up. And if we are looking at the Bitcoin price, guys, Bitcoin is about to go to the levels that we are talking about. Very, very interesting. We are seeing the bulls come in once again and take control. Over the past couple of days, we are seeing the overall price momentum for the price of Bitcoin holding very, very strong, and now we are coming up to this level at the $43,395 level, guys. This is a very, very important time for the price of Bitcoin. This basically gives me an indication whether or not we have seen a bottom occur over the past couple of weeks. We need to break out of this level, which is at that $43,523 level. If you guys can see, over the past January 11th, you can see we tried to break out of here a couple of times, and guess what? All these times we were rejected. We were unable to break out of here. But this time around, guys, if Bitcoin is able to break out of here, and most importantly, break out of that $46,230 level, I would be convinced that we are headed to the confirmation level 1, which is at the $52,400 mark, and that would basically convince me that we have seen the bottom and markets are coiling back towards the upside. But if we see a rejection at this level, guys, if we see a rejection at this level, then we are not out of the woods just yet. So the next 24 to 48 hours are very, very crucial for the price of Bitcoin and the overall market momentum to see if we have seen the bottom or not. Looking at BTC dominance, still hovering around the 42.10% mark. Nothing crazy, that has not changed, obviously. But what comes next for Solana, as you guys may know, everyone wants to know, are we heading back to that $260 mark? If I am bringing up the measuring tool for you guys, we are currently we're currently down about 54.6% away from all-time highs. And if you guys don't know, if you guys are not aware, cryptocurrencies markets tend to move up very, very fast when the momentum does, get strong and bullish. And, I could see that happen very, very fast. But right now, all eyes are on Bitcoin. And obviously, if you guys don't know, the reason as to why I believe Solana can rebound way quicker compared to other altcoins is because of this reason, guys. As you guys may know, Solana is a proof of stake consensus. 74.79% of the circulation supply is literally being staked right now. So people are earning passive income off their Solana tokens. And if you, as a Solana holder, are in for the long haul, you do believe that Solana is going to be the leading blockchain in the next 2 to 3 years, and you don't care about the short-term price momentum or volatility, you might want to, stake your Solana so you can earn passive income as time goes by, and you can compound that and increase your holdings as time goes by. And you can literally see 74.8% of the circulation supply is literally being staked right now, leaving about 25% of the supply available to be purchased on centralized exchanges. So if you guys don't know basic economic rule, supply and demand, when there is less supply, which means for Solana purpose, there's about 25% of the circulation supply available on centralized exchanges. So when we do see more hype coming in, more volume coming in, guess what's going to happen to the price? Price is going to move up way faster compared to other altcoins, and we have seen this happen over the past couple months for Solana too, and I do see that continue to happen if we do see more upwards trend. But right now, all eyes are on this price point, guys, at the $150 price point, which is that next level of resistance. If I am bringing out the measuring tool, guys, that is a move of about 26.49%. So if you were planning to buy some Solana around here and regretting not buying some over here, now might be the time to buy it rather than, buying it when it has pumped up quite a bit. But you always have to do your own due diligence and invest what you can afford to lose. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my own personal opinion. You guys do what works for you. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Where could you see the price of Solana go at the end of this month? I would love to know your thoughts down below. And if I can ask you guys for one favor, literally one favor, that is if you can like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the absolute world for me. I love you all. Keep supporting me. I appreciate each and every one of your guys' support over the past, couple of years. Your support means the world to me, and we are just getting started, guys. But yeah, leave a comment section below what you guys think, and stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.